Here we have my client's 1935 Triumph Gloria 6 Golfers Coupe on the Vitesse chassis. I'm reliably informed there's only two left. The other one is in a far worse state than what this one was when we received it. This is the second project I've done for the chap. First one being a Riley Monaco, I think that's how you say it. Got involved with it because I've done all the maintenance on his properties. He's got quite a few properties, and I usually spend my time making windows, doors, stairs, etc. You know, your usual joinery stuff. But he invited me to have a go at repairing this for him. It's been extensively repaired, most parts being replaced in the interest of safety, really. He intends to use it as he does his other cars he's got in his collection. Door frames are virtually original. As you can see, some little repairs on them. They'd fared the best. To laminate new sill sections up. They were totally rotted away. Right, well, all the way through. To extend the sill section up to form a new joint at the bottom. Top part where the base of the folding hood attaches, it was split to pieces and rotten beyond repair. Easy trapdoor, putting your golf clubs through. Oh. Catch isn't on yet. To laminate the wheel tubs up, as I call them, or inner wheel arches, I don't know what you want to call them. I just use my joinery skills to replace what was there. It's been a constant replace a piece, refit the bodywork to make sure it's still the correct shape and sizing, as in most cases the timber just wasn't there to get even an idea as to what shape it should be. Boot lid's got two original arched side pieces, but the rest's been repaired. Left hand side of the car rear wheel arch had obviously been in a crash at some point, could have been bodged up with bits of pine fitted like a 50p piece rather than the proper curve, as you can see, is new. Sill sections in both sides were absolutely rotted through. Got all the ply sections for the floor. They're all cut and not currently in, obviously. me. A lot of work in the door pillars where they receive the folding hood, which we'll go over to. Now this piece is probably the piece that had the most hours trying to get right. That's because there wasn't anything left of it really. This section here, as you can probably just see, it's laminated out of 8 or 9 pieces, I think, I remember, to make a former and then basically stretch it round it. So there you go.